Hi, and welcome to Become a Techie. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can use your keyboard to your advantage with 13 useful keyboard shortcuts that will save you time and make you feel more like a techie. Copying and pasting is massively used by everyone and is a form of copying a file from one place to another. Now, to do this using the keyboard shortcut to save you time, simply select the file you want to copy, click on Ctrl+C to copy the file, and Ctrl+V to paste. Opening, saving and printing. I'm going to show you the different keyboard shortcuts for opening a document and saving a document, and for printing a web page as my demonstrations. So, opening and saving in a document. The keyboard shortcut for that is to save a document. The keyboard shortcut is to press Ctrl and S, and as you can see, it says that it's been saved. Now, to open a new document, the keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+O, and you see it allows me to select the document that I would like to open. And then within a web page, I'll now demonstrate how you can print a web page. The keyboard shortcut for that is Ctrl+P. As you can see, it allows me to print the current web page. Undoing changes is a very common approach that people take to go back to a more robust or working version of something that they have been working on. For example, I have a Word document here where I've written some text and I want to undo that text that I have written. The way to do that with a keyboard shortcut is pressing Ctrl+Z. Task Manager allows people to be able to view the currently running processes on the computer and computer resources. The shortcut to be able to access the Task Manager is Ctrl+Shift+Escape. As you can see, these are my currently running processes and computer resources. Changing the keyboard language. The shortcut to change the keyboard language is by pressing Shift and Out, and as you can see on the bottom right, the language is changing. If the language does not change on your machine, it's because you need to install the language from Language Preferences. Switching between open programs. So a shortcut to be able to switch between your open tabs in order to avoid you having to select the tab manually when you have lots of tabs open. It can be quite annoying to do so. Therefore, to be able to use a keyboard shortcut can help save you time. To do this, hold down Alt and press Tab. Keep Alt held down and keep tabbing until you get to the program you want to open. To take a screenshot of your current screen on your Windows computer using the keyboard shortcut, you need to press the Windows and Print Screen button. As you can see, my screen flashed, representing that the screenshot has been taken. Once a screenshot has been taken, it will appear in your images. If you have an older version of Windows, such as Windows 7, and the screen does not flash, don't be alarmed, the screenshot would have still been taken. Locking your Windows computer. In order to lock your Windows computer, to keep all your tabs open and maintain your current computer state without logging off or shutting down, to be able just to log back in and continue where you left off, the shortcut to do this will be by pressing the Windows button L. As you can see, my computer got locked, now log back in, and everything's back to how it was. Closing an open program using the keyboard shortcut. If you have a program that's open, for example, Quick Access File Manager, and I want to close it using a keyboard shortcut, simply press Alt F4. Viewing clipboard history. A very cool feature that Windows offers is to be able to view a clipboard history, which means whenever you've copied anything throughout all the different programs that you are using on your computer, you can see a history of all those copied items in those different programs and access them and view them to know what you have copied. Now, to do this, the keyboard shortcut is Windows V. You can see that this is a list of all the items in my clipboard history from which I have copied. Congratulations for being one step closer to becoming a techie. You can find the link to the written tutorial of the 16 most useful keyboard shortcuts in the description below. I have also included a link to my blog where you can subscribe to stay up to date with new posts and also request tutorials. Thank you for watching.